Multiply 44 by 43 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 13. The first partial product is 132. Now use the tens digit, 4. Start one place to the left. 4 times 4 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 17. The second partial product is 1760. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 3 plus 6 is 9. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 7 is 8. In the thousands column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 1892. So 44 times 43 is 1892.